Dear students, we shall discuss about the Ascariasis disease today. Ascariasis is a disease caused by Ascaris lumbricoides, which is a nematode endoparasite. Nematode is a class of Nematohelminthes phylum. Ascaris is unisexual, so male and female are different. Female Ascaris is long and male is short with a curved tail end. Ascaris adults live in the lumen of small intestine. So from this slide, Ascaris lumbricoides is a nematode endoparasite. Host is human being, and the adults they remain inside the small intestine of human being to cause the disease. A female may produce up to 240,000 eggs per day, which are passed with the feces. So in the patient body, the Ascaris female is remaining with male. So the male can release egg, the female can release egg up to 240,000 eggs per day. You can imagine huge amount of egg can be released by the female. The fertile eggs undergo embryonic development and become infective after 18 days to several weeks, depending on the environmental conditions. Optimum moist, warm, shaded soil. It means when the eggs release from the patient's body through stool into the outside on the ground, it remains on the ground for 18 days or more. The fertilized eggs they go on developing into larvae, but the unfertilized eggs they are destroyed. Only the fertilized eggs which are present on the ground released out of the body through feces are developing. When an embryonated egg is ingested, a rhabditiform larva hatches, then penetrates the wall of the gastrointestinal tract and enters the bloodstream. From there, it is carried to the liver and heart and enters pulmonary circulation to break free in the alveoli, where it grows and molds. In 3 weeks, the larva passes from the respiratory system to be coughed up, swallowed, and thus reaches the small intestine, where it matures to an adult male or female worm. So this slide shows different stages of the life cycle of Ascaris. So in the next slide we have discussed in Odia. भ्रूण 3 थिबा एग को खाइबा परे पेटरे रैबिडिटिफॉर्म लार्भा बाहरे ताहा इंटेस्टाइन वाल को भेदी रक्त दे लिभर रे पहुँचे सेठू हार्ट दे रक्त द्वारा लंग आल्वियोल को जाए सेठारे बड़ हुई मोल्ट हुई लार्भा चारी हुए से तंटी को जाई काश कराए और खंकार रे रुहे जदि खंकार ढोका जाए तेबे लार्भा 4 पुणी इंटेस्टाइन रे जाई adult हुए. It means the larva 4 which is formed if again swallowed that go to the small intestine again. ये जो diagram we are seeing, the diagram which we are seeing is the complete life cycle of the Ascaris. The adult worms are seen at one side, how they go into the body, how they go out of the body as egg, encysted egg, and how they develop. This is the life cycle of the Ascaris lumbricoides in the form of diagram, which we have already discussed. The symptoms of the disease are, if one have a large number of worms in the intestine, you might have severe abdominal pain, fatigue, vomiting, weight loss, or malnutrition, a worm in your vomit or stool. So the symptoms may be when the worms are remaining inside the intestine, they eat the food which we consumed, and so that malnutrition occur. And due to the malnutrition, the body loses weight, due to weight loss. Due to weight loss, okay, due to weight loss, the fatigue appear. Fatigue means halia heijiba, and in the vomit or in the stool, worms may come out. Treatment of the ascariasis disease can be done by taking albendazole and mebendazole. Mebendazole and albendazole are two drugs which are anti-helminthic drugs. They can be taken for the cure of the disease for 1 to 3 days. So it is all about ascariasis disease.